safety, please do not return to the vehicle decks until you are directed to do so. Please be very careful at all times when you are on the vehicle decks, especially at the beginning of discharge, and be reminded also that smoking is strictly forbidden. We thank you for choosing to travel with us with Irish Ferries today, and we hope you enjoyed the crossing on the island. We hope you have a safe and pleasant onward journey, and we shall look forward to seeing you all aboard again. So,
Вот этими этажами пользоваться нельзя.